Hi guys, it's Hallie. Today I have a little bit of a different video for you. If you don't know, I am 7 months pregnant right now and having a baby boy at the end of October. And I was on Instagram the other day and was kind of scrolling through Insta stories and saw an ad for this box from Target. It's a baby Cat and Jack subscription box. So I figured I would give one a try and see if it was any good, what kind of clothes we'd get in it. And yeah, so I'm just going to be unboxing that for you today. So let's get started. I'm just pulling it up on my phone to see. Um, so you can either do a girls or a boys box. So you have to know what you're having to do this if you're doing it um, before you have your baby, and it is $40. $40 for the box, and you have size options from newborn, 0 to 3 month, 3 to 6 months, 6 to 9 month, 12 month, 18 month, and 24 month. So you can do this all the way up to 2 years. And I think, yeah, these are curated seasonal items, and they automatically send you the next size up every season to accommodate your baby's growth. So you get 6 to 7 pieces that haven't been released yet, plus a surprise gift. So we'll see how all this looks. I'm hoping that it's the fall stuff and not summer stuff. If it's all summer stuff, I'm going to return it because he won't be able to wear it until next year. And I think I got the 0 to 3 size, so he won't even fit into it until next summer. But yeah, you can keep whatever you want, and then what you don't want, you just take back, and you get. I think it seems like it's a merchandise card, so you don't get it like credited back to your original payment. You get it credited back to like a Target merchandise card, which you're probably gonna spend the money at Target anyway, so it's not really that bad of a deal. So yeah, let's just open it up and see what we got. All right, so you just get this little card on the inside, and then I guess it has like a little theme to it. So the theme for this season is babies and animals. Um, Animal ears, bums, and knees. You'll fall in love with outfits indulging everyone's inner wild child. Inspired by llamas, dinos, pandas, and more, designers curated these special pieces along with the perfect fall staples for your growing baby. Perfect. So it's fall stuff. That makes me really happy. There's rompers, sets, fall layering pieces, and then there's like a little hashtag on here to share your look using hashtag Cat and Jack. So I'll probably be doing that when he's finally here. And then 20% off coupon for any Cat and Jack baby or toddler apparel purchase. So that's good that they send you a coupon too, so you can buy more clothes. Though Cal has a stupid amount of clothes right now, so I feel like this is going to be it for 0 to 3. But everyone's like, oh, you're going to need so many clothes. I think he is too many, but we'll see. Alright, so everything's nicely wrapped, which is good. First thing up on top here is a little like bandana type thing. It's navy and gray stripe. It's really cute. They don't have prices on here because this stuff is in the subscription. Well, some of this does. This has a 0 price tag on it, so I'm wondering if this like is part of a set. But he has a few of these little like bandana things, and I think they'll be really good for him in the fall, just to like kind of cover his neck and keep him warm. And yeah, I guess they make like good little, they're not supposed to be bibs, but they make good little bibs too. So if he spits up on this and not on his outfit, then I don't have to change him. So I like that. And then the next thing we have in here is a little dinosaur romper. This one retails for $15.50. So all this stuff I believe is going to be released at Target at some point. So you can pick up this little romper, or a little bodysuit or whatever you want to call it, with the dinosaur on it, and then it has like the tail and a tree on the back. But that's really cute, and I really like the color of it. So I can't. He's a lot of dinosaur stuff too, so he's gonna be wearing lots of dinosaurs. Okay, yes, this comes. I don't know why they didn't put these together, but I'm guessing this all goes together as one, since these obviously match. So we just have another little bodysuit. This one is long sleeve, really cute with the like kind of spikes on the side here, and then they have them on the sleeve as well. So that'll be really cute for him to wear. This one doesn't have a price either, so I don't know how much this is going to be when it is available at Target. But there we have one little set for him. So that's really cute. I'm liking this so far. I wish it was a girl's box, but it's fine. Alright, and now we have another little set here. We have this hooded long sleeve onesie. This is $12.99 for this. And then a little pair of pants. So the pants and bodysuit together, $12.99 for all of it. And then the pants have a little, I think, I want to say fox, but I'm not sure. Maybe lion? I don't know. He doesn't really have a mane. Let me know what you think this is, but another cute little set for him to wear. And then we have this little onesie. It says smiles all around. $9.99. Just cute little blue onesie. I have so many onesies like this already that just like have little sayings on them. So that'll be good. I'm guessing it goes with these pants. Like, I'm not really sure what goes together and what doesn't go together. I mean, the navy and the blue, the lighter blue are like the same color. So I'm assuming this is supposed to be one outfit. Man, it'd be easier if I had him already, so then I could just model his little looks. So, just a little cute little play outfit. And then, oh, I don't know if this jacket goes with the other things, but it has those same navy and gray stripes in here. This is $9.99 for this jacket. It's a great little layering jacket, and then the cute little hood with the ears and everything. So yeah, that'll be good to just like throw with a pair of like navy pants and a little top. So yeah, and then you have a receipt in here that has everything on it. But it doesn't say prices for things. I want to add this up and see how much, like, if this box is worth the $40, like if I got more than $40 of stuff or what we have going. So this one I can't add because it has no price on it, so I don't know what that one is. But everything that I could add up, so the smiles and pants set, and then the hooded onesie and pants set and the jacket, all these added up to $48.47. So already you're getting more for your money than just the like, you're not just getting $40 worth of stuff. Like, this is almost $50 worth of stuff plus this, which I'm guessing would probably be like maybe anywhere from $10 to $15 sets. So you're probably getting almost $60 to $75 worth of stuff plus a 20% coupon to shop Cat and Jack, which is Target exclusive brand, I believe. And their stuff is really cute. I mean, Cal has a lot of Cat and Jack stuff, and obviously it is on the more expensive side. If you're paying like $15 for, I can't remember what was $15. This, I think, no. This? Yeah. $15 just for this one thing. So you're paying $15 for just that, and then for $40 getting coupon plus like $60 to $70 worth of stuff. So that's really nice. I really like this. So I think I'm gonna have them send me the next one. I wasn't sure, like when I ordered it, if I wanted to get another one. I was kind of gonna feel this one out and see, but I really like it. I think this is a cute little idea and kind of takes the, like, it gives you more time to do other things. Like, I'm not a mom yet, technically, so I don't know like how crazy it's gonna be, but I'm assuming I'm not gonna have time to go pick out stuff for Cal every season, and he's gonna be growing, so he's gonna need new stuff. So this is nice to just get it sent to you automatically every season, though they don't have like a specific time period listed when they say they send it to you. So if this is the fall box, I'm assuming the winter box won't come until closer to the holidays maybe. And I don't know how they determine like if my baby's grown or not, because I haven't even had him yet. So I'm kind of nervous that I'm gonna get like stuff that's too big for him for the next season and that he's not gonna be able to wear. But I think you also, ooh, I think you also might be able to change it. Yeah, you can change the sizing. You just have to go to your Target account, and then under like your subscriptions it'll say, and then you can change the sizing on that. That's good that I can like change the sizing then and make sure that he's not getting too big a size once the next box comes, because it would be a waste obviously if you're getting stuff that your baby can't wear and then will be out of season and not fit him by the time that he can wear it, or it'll be out of season by the time he can wear it, and then when the season comes around again it wouldn't fit him. So yeah, I am overall really happy with this box, and I'm going to get the next one, and I will definitely be posting pictures of all of Cal's outfits. You have to wait 2 more months, and then he'll be here, and he will have 5 outfits every single day, and they'll all be different, and he'll never repeat an outfit ever with all the clothes that he has at this point. So thank you guys for watching. I know this is different content than what I've done in the past, but I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think of this subscription box, if you're going to pick anything up. I think this one is really cute. I definitely recommend this one, but I think my favorite, the one that I recommend you pick up, is this little set. This is so cute. I'd love to, if you get the girl subscription box, let me know. I would love to see what's in that. Hopefully one day I'll get to see what's in that. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.